Do 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 do. So I forgot my stand, so I guess all you guys are gonna see tonight is my face. So it's gonna be a pretty quick stream. I'm just gonna talk about what I see on the charts. Right now it looks like more downside action. The 15-minute chart still has a red X, and there's no green dot on the 15-minute. My guess is the same as the 30-minute. I think the 1 hour also had the red X. The 4 hour, let me go look at that on Bitcoin. We're talking about Bitcoin had a red X a few days ago. I just think Bitcoin's probably going to test 50K, and if it breaks at 47K, is the next two targets out to the downside. I do think Bitcoin's going to probably test 50K, and then we'll see what happens from there. So this video is just kind of an update. If you guys have any questions, I'll answer them. But we're gonna kind of stick to Bitcoin. I did have an altcoin that I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna sell some of my GRT, and I'll make another video about this. But I'm gonna sell some of my GRT, because I didn't really get a great price on this. I got in on GRT at like 62 cents or something like that. So I really love GRT, but I'm gonna sell some of that, and I'm gonna buy the coin Myth, because it has a really low market cap, under $100 million. So I think it's a hidden gem. The all-time high last bull run was $1.55, so I think it's going to take off. It's currently sitting at 8 cents, so anything below 10 cents I wanted to buy, so I would definitely be picking some up when I see it flat out, which might be a little bit if Bitcoin keeps dumping, but that's kind of my game plan. How's it going, Eric? So, yeah, pretty quick live stream, but I see Bitcoin probably testing 50K because it still looks like downside action. I guess hold on, let me see. Hello.
What's up?
Not much, just kind of looking at the charts.
What is your life about?
What is my what?
Live.
What's about crypto and Bitcoin? But
What is that?
oh, it's like a cryptocurrency, so it's not like the stock market but Bitcoin trades 24/7. So yeah, it's just a different asset
Oh, sounds
class.
cool.
Yeah. So if you want to learn more about that, follow me.
I'm gonna
Otherwise,
follow.
all right. So yeah, I see more downside action on Bitcoin even on the smaller time frames. So that's kind of what I'm looking at.
So you have Bitcoin?
I trade it. Yeah, I don't own any. I own other coins besides Bitcoin. There's a lot of other coins in the crypto marketplace, so I own other coins, like smaller cap coins that are worth less. You guys have any coins you want me to look at? Let me know.
I actually don't know about that. I'm like that coins. I just know about Bitcoins.
Gotcha. What do you think about ZP? I am not sure what that is, but I will look at the charts. Let me look. On TradingView, I can't look at that, so I'm not sure what it is, but I will go to CoinMarketCap. Oh my gosh, it's worth. Well, it doesn't even say what the market cap is. I'll flip the camera so you guys can see. So that's how much it's worth. It doesn't have a market cap, so I'm assuming it's a brand new coin. After the decimal place, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's worth like 1,000th of a penny, I think. Okay. Well, I don't know anything about it. Let's see what the description says. ZEP is a next-gen auto-yield community token. Only hold it to indefinitely receive shares of ZEP transaction around the world through the quartermaster fee. Liquidity is also auto-locked at each launch. A protocol continuously adds liquidity into an iron bank pool, steadily raising price floor forever. Well, I like that idea of it. I'd have to do a little more research, but from what I'm looking at CoinMarketCap, it looks pretty good. I know CRO was falling earlier today. I kind of have to hold my. But yeah, CRO is tanking. Well, I shouldn't say it's tanking. It's at 17 cents. You got support at 16.5 cents. If you break that, your next support's around 13, basically 14, 13.8 cents, basically 14 cents. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for that. I will say this, you have the red X there, not good. Buy the dip if you can. 30-minute, red X. 1 hour, red X. Which means a lot more downside action, especially when you have the red X on bigger time frames. 4 hour, red X. 6 hour, you have the red X way up there. Means it's a time to sell. 12 hour, oh my god, it got on the 12 hour. So this was long overdue. It got on the daily chart a few days ago. That was a while ago. The 15-minute chart, though, it shows continuation. You have the blue triangle, which means continuation in whatever trend you're in. And if we go to super small time frames, you got a few green dots, which might be hold, but my guess is you at least, my guess is you go down to a 16.5 cents at the very least. So, yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at. MACD on the 1 hour chart is trying to cool off and have a rally up, but on the bigger time frames, like the 4 hour is completely bearish, the 6 hours is completely bearish, the 12 hours is very bearish, and the daily chart is extremely bearish. So my guess is, yeah, at the very least, you test 16.5 cents on CRO. Ethereum 2384, continuing down. You have strong support at $2,000. Let me go to the 6 hour chart. I don't look at the Ethereum chart very often. I would like to say that that's going to be an inverse head and shoulders, but maybe not. Probably not. I would like to say that though, but my guess is you continue lower on Ethereum as well. Although I do think Ethereum right now is a lot more bullish than Bitcoin is. The 30-minute chart, you have the red X. The 1 hour chart, same thing. So that means more downside action. The 4 hour though, you get the green dot, and you don't have the red X, so maybe that could mean that you aren't going to fall much below 2380 or 2300, I should say. But it's I think Ethereum is looking better than Bitcoin. Let's see what the MACD is doing. 6 hour MACD is cooling off. Same with the 4 hour. What's the 12 hour doing? 12 hour, same thing. So actually, it doesn't look much better than Bitcoin. And the daily chart is bearish on Ethereum. So I'm sure you're gonna I won't be surprised if Ethereum tests $2,000 before you see any sort of reversal on that. Sell or hold your Ethereum. Long term, I'd hold for sure. What went up? Oh, that coin went up 1,000%. I believe it because it's such a small coin. Market cap, I don't even know what the market cap is. A coin I'm looking at is Myth. I'll show you the charts on this. Let me go to this is the daily chart. This is what this thing has done on the daily chart. So personally, I said if it gets below 10 cents, I'll make another video on this. But if it got below 10 cents, I was going to buy some. You can buy it on Uniswap. So I'm going to sell some of my, well, probably not my Ethereum, but I'm going to sell some of my GRT and buy some of this coin because I think there's more upside potential. It's riskier for sure, so be aware of that. But I think there's more upside potential on this coin in the longer run. And it just had a huge consolidation recently from basically 20 cents all the way down to 8 cents. So anything below 10 cents, in my opinion, is a pretty good buy. And the all-time high for this coin is $1.55. So if you get in below 10 cents, that's a 15x to the all-time high if it goes to the all-time high this bull run. So anyways, that's kind of what I want to do with my, that's probably what I'm going to do later tonight. Or when it finds a bottom on the smaller time frames, I'll buy in. It still hasn't found a bottom on the smaller time frames. You still have red X's, which means more selling pressure. So no, bull market's not over, I don't think. It's consolidation. So it's okay, guys. I don't know what the, let me go look at something. I don't know what the Bitcoin dominance is at, but I know a few days ago it was basically below 50. And anytime it gets below 50, altcoins should run. So Bitcoin can find a bottom. If Bitcoin can find a bottom at whatever that price may be and just stay there for a few days or a few weeks, altcoins will go crazy. But it's not going to, altcoins will not rally until Bitcoin stops falling. So I don't know what the Bitcoin dominance is right now. Let me look at this up. Again, I forgot my my stance. That's kind of why I have to hold the phone. Bitcoin dominance. Right now it's at 51.5. If it goes below 50, altcoins will go parabolic, assuming Bitcoin stops falling. Actually, let me go to the 6 hour chart. The 6 hour chart for this, which I don't usually look at this, but it got all the way down to 50. Well, I guess it's not that different. But yeah, if it can stay below 50 and Bitcoin stabilizes, then altcoins will go nuts. That's every time that's happened before. Altcoins have gone crazy in a bull market. So, damn, Ruru yo, congratulations. I try to do. I'm in college right now, but I would love to do trading for a living after college. I make most of my money from investing in crypto. But I would love to do trading as a living, but I think I have to get a little bit better. Where does Ethereum go? I think Ethereum will go to $5,000 to $7,000 this bull run. But I wouldn't be surprised if in the short term you're talking about it. I would not be surprised if it tested $2,000 or $1,950 again as support. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to go make a video now on Myth because I'm really excited about that coin. I just kind of found it. I think it's a hidden gem, to be honest with you. I guess we'll see if I'm wrong or right in the coming weeks. But I'll make a video on it, so look out for that. I would go live longer, but I don't have my stand, so it's kind of not a very professional live, if you will. Got a new video from Bosscoin. I love that channel. So, all right. Well, it's a short live stream. I will be back tomorrow. I'll have my stand tomorrow, so it'll be a little bit better. You can look at the charts next time a little bit better. I won't have to hold my phone. But look out for that video on Myth because I really think it's a hidden gem. Again, you can buy that on Uniswap. I'll make a video about that. I'll probably make a longer YouTube video about it as well. So look out for that. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 8 p.m. Central Time. See you guys then. Trade safe and don't get wrecked.